Hello, welcome back to Coach Sujata's talk show. And if you are someone who have been struggling to speak confidently in the team meetings, this video is for you. Are you a working professional who struggle to speak confidently? Do you mess up in the team meeting or do you just keep quiet because you are not confident enough? Then hold on, I have got a list of things for you to do it so that next time you're gonna implement everything that you learned in this video, and mark my words, this is your one-stop solution. Now if you're new over here, then I want you to comment down and tell me how's the entire video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell button so that you get notified every time that I post every week. Now here we go. If you are someone who generally do not speak in meetings just because of your nervous, I totally understand. If you know my story, I used to be that very shy, hesitant, introvert girl who always felt nervous, who always felt that I cannot do it, who always felt miserable in the meetings. And every time I kept quiet in the meetings, everyone felt that I'm very dumb. I don't know anything. Or maybe I'm very shy, hesitant, introvert, and guess what I got in return? All the closed doors. No opportunity, no recognition, people not talking to me, and people distancing themselves because they feel that I'm not worthy enough of a conversation, also. Now I know how it feels. I am sure that you must be going through this the same thing. Now, what are the things that I did and what are the things that I teach my students is that I'm going to present here in this video. Now, if you find it hard to have conversation, the very first tip that you can implement the very next morning in your next team meeting is that 30-second rule. What is this 30-second rule? You just have to trick your mind telling that, hey, can I speak for 30 seconds out of 24 hours? Is it possible? Ask yourself. And your mind will say that, oh, 30 seconds is nothing in front of 24 hours and I can just speak. So now you just tricked your mind and you're telling that it's just 30 seconds that I have to speak, and just go for it. And how you can trick your mind is that every 3 days or every 5 days, you can add more 30 seconds, and that's how by end of a month or after 2 months you'll see yourself speaking at least for 5 to 7 good minutes when you have to present yourself. And the moment you keep doing this, you will become a pro at giving your talks at presentation. Mark my words, this has worked for all my students, it will definitely work for you. Now the next thing that you can do is that every time that you have to step up in meeting, do not go there just to see that, okay, let's see what to say, let's see how it goes. No, don't go with this mindset. Go with this mindset that what should I have, what should I speak, what is the agenda of the meeting, what should be the structure of it, what will be my role, what I'll have to give presentation, what I'll have to give update. Maybe is it a presentation, is it a talk, what is my role for today's meeting? Just little mindset preparation that will help you to tackle any unexpected situations again. So you don't go nervous, you don't just go blank, and you don't lose your credibility in front of everyone. Because by speaking in team meetings, you're auditioning yourself for the leadership role. And if you fail in that, you fail in a leadership role, and do not expect a leadership role and a good hike and an appreciation if you cannot speak in meetings. Now, next you can do is speak in a structure. Every time that you have to speak with the context, point, and an impact. You can say that the last project that I worked on last week, and what was my observation is that this is what we need to try. So you gave a context, you gave a point, and then you're going to tell that that's how it is going to help everyone in the future, that is going to bring that impact. So you can really speak in the structure, that the context, point that you kept, and the impact out of what you spoke. That's more than enough. And if you also find it hard to have conversation or present yourself in front of the senior members, understand you got to work on your nervousness. So you have a lot of videos in my YouTube channel. Just go back and see that how to speak in front of the team members, or talk to the senior members, or how do I calm my nerves down. That's very important. Now, understand that you when you present yourself in the team meetings, your rate of speech really matters. The ROS really matters. So do not speak too fast, do not speak too slow. Hold on to your pace of your talk with a very good with a good body language and voice modulation. I have made a video on ROS. You can watch the video on my YouTube channel, so you can get a lot of detailed learning. The final thing that you can do is that every time that you present yourself in front of the senior members, be very crisp, be on the to the point, and ensure that you take the space how much you are allotted. Do not take overtime or do not complete in less time. Balance your talk. All right. Know and study your room. Study how much time you are allotted. What is the speed or pace of the entire meeting? Is a meeting is a meeting happening in a fast, in rush, or is it like you have enough of time for the meeting? Read your room, read the expression of the people, read the entire context of the meeting, and have a proper agenda. Know what to talk, know how much to talk, know what not to talk, and then speak to the point, right? Because people, especially seniors, they don't like if you just drag the same thing for longer period of time. So study your room. All right, that's how you speak up in the meeting. And I've also made a lot of videos on my YouTube channel about how do you get your nerves down, the ROS, the body language, the voice modulation. Get a lot of learnings. And if you're new over here, just hit that subscribe button and bell button, and I keep posting a lot of videos on my YouTube. You can get notified every time that I post. And until then, start learning and let me know in the comment section how and what was your takeaway out of this entire video. Thank you.